Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way we live, work, and even travel underground. This technology is revolutionizing various industries, and tunnel ventilation is no exception. AI is like a smart helper that can learn and make decisions. It uses complex algorithms to analyze data and predict outcomes, making it an invaluable tool in modern engineering. In tunnel ventilation, AI is used to make tunnels safer and more comfortable for everyone. By constantly monitoring conditions, AI can adjust ventilation systems in real time to ensure optimal air quality. Imagine driving through a tunnel without worrying about stuffy air or dangerous fumes. AI makes this possible by keeping the air fresh and clean at all times. Tunnels need good ventilation to keep the air clean and safe. Proper ventilation is crucial for removing harmful pollutants and ensuring a pleasant driving experience. In the past, ventilation systems were controlled by people, but now AI can do it even better. Human operators had to constantly monitor and adjust settings, which was time-consuming and prone to errors. AI can monitor the air quality in real time and adjust the ventilation fans to make sure there is always enough fresh air. This not only improves safety, but also enhances the overall efficiency of the tunnel system. AI is like a super-smelling nose for tunnels. Imagine having a nose so powerful that it can detect even the tiniest particles in the air. That's what AI does in tunnels. It uses sensors to check the air for things like smoke, carbon monoxide, and other harmful gases. These sensors are incredibly sensitive and can pick up on dangerous substances long before they become a serious threat. These sensors are placed throughout the tunnel and send information to a central AI system. This network of sensors ensures that every part of the tunnel is monitored continuously, leaving no blind spots. This system is like the brain of the ventilation system. It processes all the data it receives and makes real-time decisions to manage the air quality effectively. The AI system analyzes the data from the sensors and figures out the best way to keep the air clean. It can predict potential issues and take proactive measures to address them before they escalate. It can control the speed of the ventilation fans, open or close air vents, and even trigger alarms if there is a problem.